In this video, we will learn how to connect your i380 smart switchboard with Alexa.
Open the Alexa app and tap on plus icon on the right top corner. Now tap on Device. In the Search tab, search Valuecon Smart Tap on Skill Store. Now tap on Valuecon Smart. Tap on Enable to Use. Now log in into your Valuecon account using the same login method with the same login credentials you use for Valuecon Smart App to log in. Once your account is linked, Alexa will automatically add all the switches linked to your Valuecon account to the Alexa app. Now you can add all the switches one by one to the room of your liking. You can also add specific or all switches to your group and start operating them through Alexa app,